Hey guys, so here we are over at the Devil's Pulpit. Bit different here. What we're doing now is we're doing a bit of a walkthrough on how to actually find the location, because we have been finding it's pretty difficult to find unless you know exactly where it is. So yeah, we're going to do a walkthrough. It's going to be played in backwards, as in if you're leaving it over to the car park, but again, you get the gist on where to turn off, which route to follow, because again, from the car park, if you follow it where you think you're meant to follow it, you won't get actually down to where I was on the earlier video. So yeah, just sit back and watch the video. Really, it's only going to be a quick video. I'm going to speed it up again, but yeah, they should give you a better way and an easier way to find it and get down on the gully floor and explore the waterfalls. So yeah, enjoy.